Hi, this is the CUBOT King Kong 7 and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So first let's open the Play Store app and in the search pool let's enter the Ampere. So now we should get this application, that's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. Then just tap to open the app, click to yes I agree, pick to close and tap to OK. So now we could see here information about our battery health, and in my case battery is in good condition. And also we got here more information like the battery capacity, voltage, Android version and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.